siyajwayeza sonke siyazama siyaphanda but no ntwana instead of ukuthi sibe lesicomplainer I think ukuthi ntwana mele nhleke yazini lalela ke Sama ngakho konke ukuphila impilo grand and I'm thinking quite hard while I'm holding this pen what my life entails it's far from fairy tales like they lived happily ever after the king got held khuluma ngestraat la kgerezwa khona la kudlala idice ebusuku ngekhandlela khona I'm not having it good but I got clothes on my back roof over my head is better than living in a shack appreciate more on the things you got might spare you a life ungarufa and get shot ungavumi bra iklahlele ngenhloko uzobe we-one edayana ngeke kuze nehloko ungathazanga uzutshele you need to better your life have dreams of living beautiful a kid and a wife dala sizibona lezinto zenzeka so take my advice uzokwazi ukuzimela
awithathe kancane nawe lapha edanyane emhlabeni kunzima impilo inzima ithathe kancane awithathe kancane nawe lapha edanyane emhlabeni kunzima impilo inzima ithathe kancane
isitha sami yindlala lana angizanga ngokudlala kudala ngizama ngilwana nale mpika abadala peer pressure abontanga baphetha amadladla namakara wena uyasala now what you gotta say uzolibela ublome lokishini and preach about it you struggle lesisha lesi we're here to teach about it get up and do something get up and move something impilo vele injalo there's always new problems ziningi izitha la uqhuma intshiza la hey yafiwa la but I ain't giving up all the pain and the stress all the blame and the rest only makes you the best sibaningi sigelezile mari sibana sikho manje mele kusebenza ingqondo I don't wanna be broke Giving ngizwo zama noma ngihluleka we gotta make this better sikhumbula bangasekho soon we gonna be together
awithathe kancane nawe lapha edanyane emhlabeni kunzima impilo inzima ithathe kancane awithathe kancane nawe lapha edanyane emhlabeni kunzima impilo inzima ithathe kancane
abaningi bathi ngiyasika when I'm trying to be my figures abanye bathi ngiyasika but they know ngiyagidla petista lesi blind which excites a mankind abanye basidabutisa but they feel it inside izinto ziright kanti kuwe skipper la ngidlula khona vele bathi izushisana namahata maqhamuka bathi umfana ufihla ngithi sorry 5-0 ungangikhwesi negana uyazi impilo inzima I'm trying to maintain the strive elokishini sitya keep the poverty jive uyazi fune inyuku in order to survive oh yes I'm feeling the pain like a step of a knife oh yes this generation is gonna change this life I'm gonna change this life we gonna change this life so bafethu yisikhathi ukuthi change umqondo our minds stay sharp we got to wake up
awithathe kancane nawe lapha edanyane emhlabeni kunzima impilo inzima ithathe kancane awithathe kancane nawe lapha edanyane emhlabeni kunzima impilo inzima ithathe kancane